My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the adware type application called PrimaryLauncher. PrimaryLauncher is the adware from the adload family. This is the adware attacking many Mac devices all over the world. Today, the adware attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. PrimaryLauncher adware, once installed, starts to show a lot of intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. Therefore, in case you have found its presence on your system, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of this adware as soon as possible. Well, how to do it? Check your Finder, check your applications, find this PrimaryLauncher, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you find anything else suspicious, get rid of it. I also recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. The software is available for the majority of popular operating systems. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and start researching your device with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.